problem is 147139. Now put the division sign. 147139. You will make pair from the right towards the left. 2, 2, 2 and 1. Now check whether 1 is a perfect square or not. Yes, 1 is a perfect square. So it will be 1 1s are 1. Next step. Double this one. It will be 2. Take this pair down. Now check. 2. See. Now here that rule doesn't apply when we check the last digit, because last digit is over here 9. So that rule can't be applied. Now what to do? The only way is that we keep on multiplying. 21 ones are 21, 22 twos are 44 and 23 threes are 69. So these are not possible. Only possibility is 44. And you will excel in it by practice. When you practice this, you will came to know how to find it just by looking at it. 44, do the subtraction part. 7 minus 4, 3. Here we get 0. Now the next step. Double this 12, it will be 24. There is one more method to find this number, that you can add both these numbers. 1 1, 2, we get here 2, 22 plus 2, 24. Or simply double this number. Okay, 24. Now 0 3 is there and you have to bring 1 3 down. You have to bring 1 3 down. Now see, again we will do the same thing. 241 into 1, 241, 242 into 2, 484. Not possible. So the correct option is 241. 1 will come over here and 1 will come over here. Subtract it. 2, 11 minus 4, 7. Here nothing will be left. The next one is 69. And here the next step is. Now see, here the numbers are greater. Either you double that or add this one to this. Both the answer will be same. 242. You can double it 2, 4, 2 or add 1 to 241. Means one and the same thing. Now here we approach the last digit. Here that rule is applicable. Either it will be 3 or it will be 7. So let's check. 2, 4, 2, 3 into 3. 3 3s are 9, 3 2s are 6, 3 4s are 12, 1 carry, 3 2s are 6, 7. We got the answer. So no need to test for 7. Just do the division part. 7 to 6 9. So we get that under the root 1471369 is 1213. Let's recall what we have done. First of all, we put the given number in the long division symbol. After that, we will make the pair of 2 2 each from right towards left and check the first number whether it is a pair or a single digit. We will check that whether it is a perfect square or lies between two perfect squares. So 1 is a perfect square. We just do the multiplication. 1 1s are 1 and then subtract it. Bring the second pair down. 47. Now the next step was to double our quotient. You can take it as quotient and the second step is to double our quotient. Double of 1 is 2. Now for the next step we check whether 21 ones are 21, 22 twos are 44, 23 threes are 69. Now 47 lies between 21 and 69, that is 44, near to 44. So we have used here 22 twos are 44. 2 will come over here as well as in quotient. Always remember that whatsoever you multiplied over here will come over here. The next step is double the quotient, that is 24. Is that clear? Now after that we will bring our next pair down. It is 3 1 3. Again for this we will repeat the same procedure. 241 into 1, 241, 242 to the 484. Now it is also not possible. So the answer should be 241 over here. Subtract it, we get 72. Now bring the next pair down. And our number is 7269. The next step is double the quotient. We have doubled it over here. And in the next step, as it approaches the last digit, we can check it if we know that it is a perfect square. Remember it? If we know that it is a perfect square. So it will be either 3 or 7. It will be either 3 or 7. So we just try multiplying 2, 4, 2, 3 by 3 and we got the answer. And we proceed with our division and get the result as under the root 1471369 is equal to 1213. That solves our problem. Let's try one more example. It is 813604. As the digits are even, so no problem, you can make pair from any side. But it is better if you move from right to left. Now check whether 81 is a perfect square. Yes, it is 9 square. 9 nines are 81. Bring 36 down. Double of 9, 18. Now you see that if we put even 1 over here, then also it is not possible. And whenever nothing is possible in division, just we put 0. Over here also and over here also. Now we will bring the next pair down. It is 4. Now as we approach the last digit and we know that these are perfect squares, so it will be either 1802 or last digit is 4. 1808 into 8. So do the multiplication. 403604. We got the answer. It will be 1802 3604. So under the root 813604 is equal to 902. This is our answer. Now it's your time for practice. Practice this trick as much as you can, because only then you can excel in it.